Good morning, students. This video is for class 9 economics. In our last video, we learned about the introduction part of village Palampur. We also aware with what kind of mode of transport, how many families are there in village Palampur, what is the main occupation of the people, those are living in village Palampur. We also learn about what are factors of production. In today's video, we are going to learn factors of production in detail. There are 4 factors of production and they are land, capital, labor and entrepreneurs. Land includes the gift of nature or natural resource which are not created by human effort. Next requirement is capital. Capital includes tools, equipments, factories used in production. Capital or physical capital, these are variety of inputs which are required at different stages of production. Physical capital can be divided into 2 groups and they are fixed capital and working capital. Now let us understand what is the difference between fixed capital and working capital. Tools, machineries are the example of fixed capital. Fixed capital means fixed assets of a producer which he can use in production work for several years. Tools, machines, buildings can be used for production over many years. Things which a producer can use for many years is known as fixed capital. For example, for the farmer, his tractor is his fixed capital. Whereas raw materials, money in hand, these are the example of working capital. Working capital are things which are having only one use. After one use, they become exhausted. For example, seeds for a farmer. After physical capital, the third requirement of production is labor. Labor includes people with their efforts and ability. In an organization, we require skilled labor or unskilled labor. Both types of labor are required in production. Skilled labor, they will do mental work, whereas unskilled labor will do manual works. Fourth requirement or fourth factors of production is entrepreneurs, which can be also called as human capital. Entrepreneurs or human capital are individuals who start a new business or bring a product to market. We can also define human capital as it refers to the person who is going to arrange, organize other 3 factors of production: land, labor and physical capital to produce goods and services and sell it in market for making profit. So in this video, we learn factors of production in detail. Thank you.